got injured, bro. He just got injured, and so I do not know what I'm gonna do. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
We're gonna die, right?
I hope I just don't die. I want to stay alive.
Your eyes are gonna die.
Probably.
This is Sandstorm 2024.
We got the greatest cast.
And our first cameraman actually got hurt. The sandstorm made him fall down.
Alright guys, let's go.
Bro, you okay? You okay, man? You okay, man?
Guys, look at this.
Oh hell.
I'm okay, bro.
Come on, get up, bro.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Let's go, come on. Let's go, look at that sandstorm.
Alright guys.
Oh my god, look at the sky. Look how grey the sky is.
If you're in LA, guys, watch out.
We cannot even see the sandstorm, guys. Please follow and share and subscribe. This is so strong. Look at my blood's jacket. It's even moving. Oh my god, look at the trees, bro. Oh my god.
Look at this school.
Oh my god, guys, you might not be able to see my face, but wow.
Wow, yeah, wow. Ow, the sand is going inside my hands.
MashaAllah.
Oh my god, mashallah. Look at all of that wind.
Guys, it's been 2 minutes and all this place is filled up with sand. And my sister was an idiot and she wants to walk all the way back.
This can actually kill someone.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky even, bro. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait, it kind of stopped.
Yo, bro, what do you think about this?
I don't know.
Yeah, me too. I don't
Wait,
know.
where's the bag?
Oh, the bag I left it inside. I know where it is. Oh my god.
You might not see my face now, but guys, we need to go inside.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys, this is kind of dangerous.
So check the news and let's go inside. Come on.
Yeah.
Check